Hello everyone, I'm Lulu. Welcome to Lulu's AI Daily Brief, your tech intelligence brief. Here's today's latest AI news for July 28, 2026. We have 12 stories. Let's get into it. Here's your quick overview. Coming up, OpenAI GPT-Live goes enterprise, voice agents now live for schools and businesses. Sam Altman drops cryptic hint, I want a new kind of computer. Kimi K3 goes global via Together AI, China's top open model hits high-throughput inference. NVIDIA, HuggingFace and OpenClaw launch Open Secure AI Alliance. And more in today's 12-story brief. Let's dive in. OpenAI just flipped the switch. GPT-Live, their ultra-responsive voice agent, is no longer a plus-only perk. It's now live for every paying business, school, and enterprise customer worldwide. That means call center bots, tutoring assistants, and executive briefing tools can finally talk like humans, with real-time turn-taking and emotional nuance. This isn't just an upgrade, it's the first major signal that voice-native AI agents have officially crossed into production-grade B2B territory. Sam Altman just dropped a 3-word bomb, I want a new kind of computer. That's not a typo, it's a direct quote from his viral X post, which blew up with over 7,000 likes in under 24 hours. Combined with OpenAI's quiet hiring of senior Apple hardware engineers, this isn't just hype, it's the strongest signal yet that OpenAI may be building its own AI-native device. Is it a wristband? A desktop terminal? A wearable brain interface? Nobody knows, but the race just got a lot more physical. Kimi K3, the Chinese powerhouse with 3 trillion parameters, just went global. Moonshot AI launched it on Together Compute, giving developers instant, high-throughput API access specifically tuned for coding agents. This isn't just another model drop. It's the first time a top-tier Chinese open model has secured day zero partnership with a major Western inference platform, proving open models from Beijing are now competing head-to-head with Silicon Valley on infrastructure, not just benchmarks. By the way, if this brief helps, please subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a daily update. NVIDIA, HuggingFace, and OpenClaw just formed the Open Secure AI Alliance, a major push to build industry-wide security standards for AI agents. Think of it as the first real attempt to define what safe agent behavior actually means across platforms, not just inside one company's firewall. With NVIDIA bringing infrastructure muscle, HuggingFace anchoring open ecosystems, and OpenClaw representing the agent runtime layer, this alliance could become the de facto safety playbook for every enterprise deploying autonomous agents. Forget accuracy scores and leaderboard rankings. Kimi just launched PerceptionBench, a radical new vision benchmark that starts not with what should models do, but where do they actually break. By mapping thousands of real failure cases, it isolates atomic visual skills, like occlusion reasoning or texture invariant object recognition, in ways traditional benchmarks simply can't. For anyone building browser use or computer use agents, this isn't academic. It's the first tool that tells you exactly why your vision agent choked on that PDF screenshot. OpenAI just published hard data that flips the script on AI doomscrolling. Their new study shows ChatGPT users aren't losing jobs, they're expanding them. People are routinely doing tasks that used to require separate experts, like drafting legal memos and designing marketing visuals and writing code, all in one workflow. This isn't theory. It's behavioral data from real users showing AI doesn't shrink roles, it stretches them. For product teams, that means the winning value proposition isn't faster, but broader. NVIDIA just moved generative simulation from self-driving cars straight into the operating room. Their new Cosmos-H-Dreams model creates real-time, high-fidelity surgical environments, complete with tissue deformation, blood flow, and instrument physics, to train and test surgical robots. This isn't CGI. It's a full generative world model built for zero-error domains. When even surgery is simulated with AI, it's proof that world models are no longer sci-fi, they're infrastructure. Sam Altman just showed us what true memory-powered agents look like, not with slides, but with one sentence. Use all my chat history to figure out ideas for a long weekend trip with 8 friends. In seconds, ChatGPT pulled together preferences, past travel habits, budget clues, and group dynamics to generate 3 tailored itineraries. This isn't just better summarization, it's longitudinal intelligence. And it proves the future of agents isn't about bigger models, but deeper, richer, longer memory. A developer just ran Kimi K3, the 3 trillion parameter giant, on an RTX 3090. Not cloud. Not server rack. Your old gaming GPU. Using hyper-aggressive quantization, yes, but the fact it ran at all rewrites the rules. Suddenly, local-first agents don't mean weaker models, they mean full-scale, state-of-the-art reasoning running offline, privately, and cheaply. This isn't just a hack. It's the first crack in the cloud monopoly on heavy AI. ChinAI, the most influential English newsletter on China's AI rise, just crowned Kimi K3 the affordable luxury. That's not marketing fluff. It's a direct challenge to the entire pricing logic of the AI industry. If a 3 trillion parameter open model can deliver flagship performance at commodity cost, then every proprietary API vendor just got a very uncomfortable new benchmark. This isn't just about price, it's about power shifting from closed clouds to open stacks. SearchOS just shipped, and it's not another agent library. It's an actual operating system for agents, built for search. It splits the workflow into discrete, specialized agents, query parser, retriever, ranker, summarizer, each running like a process, coordinated by a lightweight kernel. This isn't theoretical architecture. It's working code, open-sourced, designed to show how complex tasks scale when agents stop being monoliths and start behaving like Unix processes. If you've ever wondered what agent-native computing looks like, here's your first real glimpse. Embodied AI just walked into a real hospital, not for a demo, not for PR, but for daily clinical work. Chaowei Dynamics and Peking University Medical Center announced a live deployment pairing perception and action robots with actual patient care pathways. No more lab-only claims. This is embodied intelligence meeting HIPAA, shift handoffs, and emergency protocols. When your robot needs to pass infection control audits before it touches a stethoscope, you know the era of real-world AI agents has truly begun. That's all for today's Lulu's AI Daily Brief. If this was helpful, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video. I'm Lulu. See you tomorrow.